Hello, GM. I think I'm live now. GM. Can anyone please confirm if you are with me right now? Is my audio clear? And right now, this stream is live on 4 platforms. It's on my LinkedIn, on my Twitter, on my YouTube, and as well as on my Arena profile. So, uh, I might miss some of the messages because I cannot keep track of all the places. And again, apologize for the delay in the stream. If you're waiting, really sorry for all this delay, but there were things that were not in my control. And yesterday, everything got like messed up, so was not able to like stream yesterday. But today, this is the first session of navigating the Web3 landscape with me. Uh, we will be covering a lot of things, and I'm really excited to like start this journey of teaching on the live stream to all the folks those who are interested. So till now I had one what the Luma page, so it's not necessary to sign up there, but if you sign up there, I will be having your emails, and if there would be any study material that I would be willing to share, I could directly like put it in your mailbox. But that's also fine if you haven't signed up yet. Okay, I just want to check out whether everything is working fine or not. So we'll be going to chat section. I can see the chat of uh, 2 platforms only. I think I can see the chat of Twitter and of LinkedIn. So let me check out if I am live and all good. Thanks, Rushikesh, aka Mr. Hype. So audio check, video check, everything is clear. Okay, let me have a look. Okay, perfect. I checked it myself as well, so it's more fine for me to understand. Okay, so first of all, what's the motivation for me to do this? To like, uh, you know, teach people about the practical side of web, because right now what I am watching on crypto Twitter, and it's not just that. Okay, I'll be watching this. This is the same thing that exactly most of you, those who are whether new in Web3 or you have been an OG within the Web3 space, you might be experiencing this thing, that there is a lot of content that is right now flowing on Twitter. Whether you think it's due to experiments such as Loud.io, or people are yapping due to Kaito, and this InfoFi thing is like flowing around, where like people are creating a lot of content. Hell, lot of content is being created, but all this content doesn't make sense. Like, you may or may not agree, but most of the content doesn't make sense, because the real audience, the real people like me, people like all the people who are creating the content, most of the people are actually not utilizing that content or doing anything with those protocols. It's only a whale game that is going right now. Now, some might say that okay, it's not like that, I have used the protocol itself, but most of the people, those who have used the protocol, are either incentivized to use it, or they are like within the protocol just because there's a promotion running on or going on. Exactly, there is no use case that they are getting out of that protocol or from anything. And but you will find a hell lot of content around anything. So there are a lot of blockchains that are like promoting themselves via Kaito AI. People are yapping, but nobody is actually utilizing. And the reason, it is not that uh, it is not necessary for people to utilize it, that's why they are not utilizing. The major reason, that what I think that why people are not utilizing that content, that data, is because they are not used to it. They don't know how to basically do things, do stuff at those platforms, on those platforms, and things like that. So I thought, I have worked with a lot of folks out there, very senior folks, very senior folks. You will find titles like, head of this, head of that, director of this, director of that. And being I was always junior to them, and they always asked very small things to me once a connection is being built. So they asked, such as like, I want to swap this token, how do I swap this token with that token, things like that. Very very basic things. So sometimes I felt like that, how it is possible that somebody here at this stage and is not aware of like these basic things. And then when the very first time this happened with me, I thought like, okay, maybe this person, this exactly, only this person is not aware. But later on, like when I met a lot of folks, this thing like got repeated multiple times. So I thought like, I like, this was in my mind that, okay, I will just start, start doing live streams where I will like uh, keep on teaching the very basic stuff, and the practical stuff, not the theory stuff, where I will be talking about the TPS, or I will talking about the TPL, TVL of chain, or like how the horizontal scaling or vertical scaling is working. No, I'm not going to talk about all of those things. Maybe in separate sessions we can talk about those tech stuff as well. But I am from a non-tech background. I have done BTech, by the way, but that BTech is in the field of biotech, and from there I like switched my whole career into blockchain, finance, and marketing side of the things. And just to like give a bit of introduction about myself, those who never had like any uh, one-on-one connection with me. So I am Shriyash Pandey. I have been within this space for like past 6 years right now. Started in late 2019. I have worked in the beginning. I have worked as an ambassador to multiple project and protocols, and at that time I was doing exactly the thing what I am what I'm seeing, what I'm watching that people are doing. But those people are still doing that thing, those who were doing those things with me. So when I started, maybe there were 200 other people started as well, but they're still stuck in that phase, because they didn't got to know the thing that uh, things have been changed, the scenario has been changed, and how they have to evolve within this space. uh, Wait a minute, I just have to like put one thing uh, on my arenas live. That live is not, this is not live yet there. Okay. uh, Wait a minute. So I know like you people are on different platforms watching me, but I have a bit of things to do on other platforms as well. uh, okay, I think all fine. Okay, so right now, in today's session, we are going to start with the very basics of things. So if you are someone who has been in this space, and you are a developer, you are a builder, so this basically will not make sense for you, because it is going to be very basic steps, very basic things, such as like uh, how to navigate the web3 space, what is web3 in general, and like how to create a wallet, how to safeguard your seed phrase, what is a seed phrase, what are the ways to like find out seed phrase and things like that. So this is going to be very very basic things. So if you are someone who has experience with all of these things, you can like stay here, you can watch, you can like most welcome. But it might feel, you might feel bored, so you can drop as well. but maybe like when we will start with other things, it would be great to have you folks. So like let me share a different screen. And and the other reason, why I wanted to do all of these things on live stream is because I think a lot of the time people do not know the reality of everyone. So you are like watching any particular video of someone, of any creator, or you are like reading any thread. So that thing, people made a lot of mistake in order to write that thread, complete that thread, or maybe a video that you are watching. There were a lot of retakes that were taken so that the final content, the final output uh, does not come with any problems or mistakes. But when people watch it, people think that okay, everything is so perfect, and like when they try to replicate things, they start to start to make a lot of mistakes, and they get demotivated, and they think that okay, this particular thing is not for them. And this applies to like most of the things, whether you are within the non-tech space or whether you are in the tech space. I think within the tech space it happens more, because coding is something that people start, people fail, and people drop, because the you know the mentor who is teaching them, he seems to be too perfect to do things. So that's why I thought like, why not, let's do it on a live stream where whatever I will be doing will be visible, and I might make mistake, and I will also tell you how to correct that mistake, and things like this. You will get to know, you will not hesitate in clicking OK for anything, and you will think that okay, if I will hit this particular OK button, and then everything will be lost. So a lot of time it happens because you will be dealing with real money, real value, real things, real crypto. So that's why I think it is very important to see that okay, mistakes happen. Someday maybe I will tell you all stories of how my wallets got hacked and how much I have lost in this space, and someday maybe I will tell you that how much I have made in this space. So stay tuned all for all of that. But right now, let's start with today's session. So on my Chrome, I have uh, all the wallets and everything is like already installed, and I don't really want to uninstall it. So I'm just creating a new profile where I will do everything from scratch. Okay, so let me okay, just setting up the camera. Okay, is the Google Chrome screen visible? Can you all see the Google Chrome screen up? Just Chrome browser screen. Google is written over there, nothing else. Is it visible to you all? Anyone, if anybody can say yes or no, if it is visible to them. And by the way, GM Suraj, GM Rayansh, hello. Uh, Thanks Pushkar. Hey GM, Sakshi, GM Anadi. Anadi, how's the car going? Drifting. Hello Harish. Shout out to Harish, guys. He's a very creative person. So if you ever get a chance to connect with Harish, do connect with Harish. Okay. So so right now, let's start with the term Web3 in general. Okay, so Web3 is a big umbrella, and we are going to learn a lot of things that, okay, we will be like navigating in this world. So think of it like, a version of internet where you are the owner of the things that you own, that you have created, and you are the one who is owning the part of a network in which you are working. Now again, this is all fluff. This is all things that on the theoretical side you should know if somebody asks you that, okay, what is Web3 and things like that. But within Web3 there are few things that you have to keep in mind, that are basically, Web3 is a word that consists of, all of these things are sub branches within Web3. One of the things is blockchain tech, on the top of which every decentralized application is working. So decentralized applications are made, this decentralization is made possible due to blockchain. Now I'm not going to go this way and explain you things that, okay, what is blockchain in general and things like that. That's, I think, is again, very theoretical part. I want to make it raw. So I am just thinking right now that I am a person who came to this Web3 space. I know everything, but still I am trying to work in a way that, okay, if you are someone new in this space, how would you navigate things? How would you find out that how to do things out, and how to like get the things, get the ball rolling and things like that. So if I am someone who is new, I might like search Web3 on like Google, or maybe like what is a blockchain and things like that. So first thing, in order to do anything within the Web3 space, you need a wallet. So you might have heard that, okay, there are a lot of cryptocurrencies, cryptos. So just like your money in your pocket, if you are from India, it's rupiah, it's rupees. If you are from any other place, just name your native currency. And when that paper money, that fiat money, when it is in your hand, you need a wallet to keep it inside, or maybe you're just putting it inside the pocket, but you need a place to store it. So, and then whenever you go to shops, you like give that money and get some stuff. In the same way, think of like a digital realm. So this is our physical realm where we all are living, where we all are connected with each other. We have friends, we have shops, we have clubs, we have cars, everything. And in order to get anything, or like in order to get anything, like that means making a transaction, we need our fiat money, the paper money, or maybe like the UPI, what we do in India and in other places, like we swipe our card and things like that. So that is all the things that we are doing in this physical realm. That, and the only thing that is dividing this physical realm with this digital realm is the blockchain, the Web3 realm. So within the Web3 realm, you need a wallet. So Web3 wallet, you can call it a Web3 wallet, you can call it a crypto wallet, you can call it a wallet. Most people just generally call it wallet. So whenever you are starting within the Web3 space, the very first thing that you need to understand is that how you manage a wallet, what is a wallet, how to install a wallet, what kind of wallets are out there, and like which wallet you should be looking for, which wallet you should be using. There will be a lot of different blockchains that will be having different wallets, but you should have at least one wallet where you can store things, you can make transactions using that wallet, and you can interact using that wallet with the Web3 space. So in order to get onboarded within the Web3 space, the first thing that you need is a wallet. Now things have evolved a lot. If and what I'm talking right now is very raw thing. So if you are someone who is like very experienced within this space, you might argue that, okay, no, we have a smart wallets and a lot of things. So guys, I'm not talking about anything like that as of now. I know there are 100 different ways to get onboarded within a space, but what I am teaching here right now is that how a common man, how a common person, can come within a space and establish themselves. And things are going to be very raw because this is a live. I might, the synchronization or the chronology of things will be different because this is live again. Okay, so how do you install a wallet and what a Web3 wallet is? I just explained what a Web3 wallet is. So Web3 wallet is a place where you store your cryptocurrencies. Okay, now what are cryptocurrencies? These are digital assets such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Avalanche, the AVAX token. So the tokens and coins. I'm not going to go into the details of all of this, but later on, as we move forward in these classes, we will get to know about all of these things. But in a way where you will learn how to practically move things, how to get your hands dirty practically, not the theoretical part. Okay, so in order to install any Web3 wallet, first you need to like find out that okay, which is a good Web3 wallet. So just like for example, if I am a newbie, what I will do, uh, which is a good Web3 wallet. Now you can ask Grok as well. You can ask ChatGPT as well. There are a lot of options. People have very much reduced doing like googling things out because AI has taken over, you know, over all of these things, and I think Google is losing a bit of its share, and you can ask Gemini as well. So in general, if I am a newbie, what is the best way for me to self-learn something? So uh, I would just do that. Okay, which is a good Web3 wallet. So you will find there a lot of options. You can find Coinbase wallet, you can find MetaMask, you can find Trust wallet, Argent, Ledger, Exodus, and a lot of other options. Like one of the most popular Web3 wallet is the MetaMask. It is a EVM based wallet, and now I will be not be going into what is EVM. So you might hear, if you are someone new, very new in this space, if you are not able to understand any of the terms that I am saying, don't worry about it, because sooner or later you will work, you will get to know what it is. It's not don't feel like, don't get overwhelmed that okay, I have to inculcate everything at once, whatever I like Shreyas is saying, I have to grab that in my mind. If I am losing anything, I'm left behind. No, it's not like that. If you do not understand any of the thing, it's also fine, because this is how people learn. This is how you learn in the practical way. This is not a theoretical class. There is no examination that you have to give. It is just a place. Right now this stream is just a place where you are learning things, that okay, how to navigate within the Web3 space. So you find that okay, which is a good Web3 wallet. You found out multiple options, but right now MetaMask is one of the most popular one out there. So you can just see MetaMask. Now if you will go directly and type download MetaMask, so I would not recommend this thing, because sometimes there is a heavy chance that any fake website might pop up, any fake ad of MetaMask might pop up on the Google's homepage, and you will download something that is not the real MetaMask, and you might lose your stuff, you might lose your funds. So the best way, what I feel, that okay, and I have never in my life downloaded MetaMask directly like this. I have seen people doing that, but I have never done this. So in my opinion, what I do, I if you are using Chrome, if you are using Safari, if you're using any browser, just go to extension tab. If you can find one over here, you can go to manage extensions, or you can directly visit the Chrome Web Store. Now on the Chrome Web Store, most of the things that is uploaded here is being checked by Google, whether it is legitimate or not. So you might not find, there's high chances you might not find any scam extension or something like that. You may find if something is definitely scam, but you might not find like a redundant MetaMask. So if I type here MetaMask, I search, so you can see the one with metamask.io and this verified sign. You click on it. If you haven't seen, you can just click on it, and you can click on add to Chrome. Now MetaMask wallet is an like extension based wallet. So you might find a lot of extensions on your Chrome, such as a lot of people use Grammarly extension to correct the grammar of whatever they are writing and things like that. So there are a lot of extensions, and MetaMask is like one of the extension based wallet. I think now they have already, like, they also created their software, downloadable software wallet, but extension wallet is like mostly all what you need. You do not need any of the other things. Now there is a category of hot wallet and cold wallet and a lot of things that we will be covering very slowly, very lightly. We are not going to rush anything. I'm not like a sponsored person who have to cover a course. I'll be doing it at my own pace, and I think this stream will be available on YouTube and will be available on Twitter and LinkedIn as well. So you might come back and find things over here if you like miss something and you think you want to do. Now, before I start, I had one thing in mind that how I'll be navigating this all of these stuff is that what you all can do, you all can like create a Twitter thread if you are on Twitter. And if you are not on Twitter, I would suggest, if you are watching on other platforms, if you are watching me on LinkedIn, if you are watching me on YouTube, or if you are watching me on Arena, just head over your Twitter after this stream, not right now. And you can create a thread. You can name that thread anything, navigating Web3 with Shriyash or something like that. Whatever you want. You can tag me there, and within that like thread, after every class, whenever you take a class, you write there what you have learned. You write there what has been discussed, what you have learned. So that way you will be having a series of content as well, and whenever you want to like uh, go back and check that what you have learned, you can find that in a thread, and you can write in a thread in a way so that like whenever you come back, uh, you find it useful, that okay, whatever is being explained over there you get to know. So that way you will be easily able to grab things up, and maybe like I think from that other people will also get to know about that, okay, if they are someone who is looking to join you in this journey of like navigating the Web3 space like this, they might find it useful as well. So that will be good for you as well as for the other people as well. So that is what you can do. And if you do have any questions there, you can like tag write the questions in that particular thread as well. So one tweet per class, and that tweet must be added next to that particular previous tweet. So that is how the blockchain looks like as well. The first block, like the block number 1 is connected with block number 0, so the previous block. So that is, we will learn about all of those things. So okay, right now we have installed the extension of MetaMask. Now if you are someone who has never done this, okay, you can say yes or no, or maybe you have done that but you have never worked with MetaMask. You have done that because your employer asked you to do so, so that they can send you the tokens and things like that. I know if we, a lot of people will never tell, and I totally respect it. You can fake it until you make it, so I totally respect it. But if you are someone who has done all of those things, and you think you know nothing, you are way behind people. No, you are way forward of doing things. You have done a lot of things that people have never touched. And yes, installing a MetaMask extension is one of the such things that I know a lot of people have never done in their life. They have used Binance, they have used, KuCoin, they have used all the centralized exchanges and traded a lot of funds there, but they have never touched the real blockchain side of things, the real DeFi, the real decentralized part. And that is like starting with installing a MetaMask or any, uh, you know, Web3 hot wallet, or having a cold wallet is, I still consider a luxury thing, and only OGs do that. Okay, so once you install MetaMask, what's the first thing you have to do is you have to agree with their terms of use. You have no choice. So I don't think there should, like, I should go and read it out, because it doesn't make sense, because if I do not agree to it, I cannot move forward. Now there are two things: import an existing wallet and creating a new wallet. So just ignore this part of importing an existing wallet and this fox moves, because I feel like what I am taking in mind, considering in my mind why I am taking this class, that you people have never done this. That's how I am starting. That's how I'm starting for everybody. So if somebody new comes to this class who have never done this, they don't feel like that okay they missed something. So okay, you have to click on create a new wallet. Again, this is something you can like take this data to share some of the data. I don't know what kind of data they take, but maybe it could be something like how much you spend and how much, like kind of a credit liability database where they will target you using on the basis of this data to send you marketing communication. But I never take that thing, so I just say no thanks. Now this is a page where you have to create password. Now I just want to let you know, like, these are the insights. These are like, bloody insights that I am telling you. And when you will, like, maybe uh after 10-20 classes, or maybe whenever you, if you are someone who has never been in the corporate life, if you're someone who has never been within the corporate life, whenever you will join one of your corporate world, you will find that people are not aware of that, okay, how this password things work within MetaMask and other like Web3 wallets. And these are real insights. You might think, if somebody, if you are someone who is an OG, you might think that okay, maybe you also don't know. So so whatever password you are setting here, whenever you are installing, a hot wallet, this password is just attached with this particular extension on this Chrome browser. This password is nothing. Even if somebody get to know this password of yours, and they don't have your laptop where the MetaMask Chrome extension is installed, they cannot do anything. So this password is nothing, and I am going to, like, just make this password visible. I am going to write, let's say show. So all those who are watching, you will have this password. I am going to write Shriyash at the rate 112233. So if in future I forgot this password, maybe because I have a kind of this memory where I forget things. So please, somebody just remind me that what was the password. So it's Shriyash at the rate 112233. And right now, like, I am just like taking this class, and I don't know what's this. Uh, Even if you got that thing, whatever came, don't think that's my password. I don't know what's that. Okay, so I'm just typing my password again. Shriyash at the rate 112233. So this password is only a key to open the MetaMask that is installed on the Chrome browser. This password means nothing. The most important thing is not this password. The most important thing will come in the step number 2, where you are watching this secure wallet thing. Okay, so I understood this is my password. You all have the password. Think what you can do with this password, but maybe next time you can remind me. Okay, I clicked on create a new wallet. Now there are two things that it is letting you know. That first thing is like, uh, remind me later. It is asking you to secure your wallet. Either you can do it later, and you can do it right now. I am going to do it right now because this is very important thing, that if you are creating a wallet and you are serious about that wallet, so it's like, think of like real life as well. You purchase 3 wallets. One is a leather wallet, another one is a paper wallet that you have created with your own hand, and the third one could be a cloth wallet. And the leather wallet, you love that wallet very much. You put all your credit cards, debit cards, fiat money in that wallet. So you will make it, you will keep it securely You will not throw it. So in the same way, if you are creating a MetaMask wallet in which you are like you have intention to keep funds, this is going to be your main wallet, and you will be using this wallet to make transactions, interact with people on chain. So you have to keep the seed phrase of this wallet very secure, because the password that we created is nothing. That password will only be used to access the wallet that already has a seed phrase. Now this MetaMask, that and like let's come back to this screen. There is one important thing that you all should understand. This MetaMask, Coinbase, Trust Wallet, and whatever names you are like reading here, these all are just service providers. These are wallet service providers. What does this mean? This means that okay, if you install any of these like softwares or extensions, or like take any hardware wallet such as Ledger or anything like that, these are just wallet providers. Like you got MetaMask, now MetaMask will help you to get a wallet, help you to access a wallet, creates a wallet for you. Okay, now you it will provide the seed phrase. The seed phrase is the power of attorney of that wallet, and once it hands that power of attorney to you, you are the owner of that wallet. Now you can use that same seed phrase to access that wallet within any of these wallet providers. So that seed phrase is everything. If you have the seed phrase, you can import the MetaMask, import the wallet of MetaMask within the Coinbase wallet. You can import the same wallet within Trust Wallet, and worry not, I will show it to you, because this is something that a lot of people never did, and that's why they never knew. They thought they created a wallet within MetaMask, and now they cannot, if they want to use any other wallet, they cannot do anything. They have to start with a scratch. No, start from scratch. No, it's not like that. So okay, what we are going to do, we are going to hit the button of securing my wallet. Now this is something that I am not going to reveal, but I'm not sure that okay, I know how to mask this up. Okay, so this 12-word secret recovery phrase, this is something that is everything. This is the most important thing when you are creating a Web3 wallet. This is the key of your wallet. The main thing that has access. Anybody who is having access to this 12-word secret recovery phrase will have access to the wallet that I have just created. No matter whether they know that password that I just created, Shriyash@112233. It doesn't matter. Even if you know that password, if you don't know that password is useless. It's of no use. Anything that is of use is this 12-word secret recovery phrase. If anyone gets your 12-word secret recovery phrase, they will have access to whatever you have inside that wallet, wherever you have interacted with that wallet, any funds, any NFTs, any tokens, whatever you have inside that wallet, they will have access to it, and you will not be able to do anything if they transfer your funds to any other wallet. You cannot do anything. Simply, you cannot do anything. People sometimes tell this story that okay, basically, if you remember, till certain class in our school, we were using pencils to write. But after a certain standard, I think in the standard fourth or fifth, we have given we start to use pen. Things written with pencils can be erased, and those mistakes can be treated and recovered. Things can be recovered if it is written with a pencil. You can erase it and you can rewrite things. But then we got pen. Once we write things with pen, we cannot erase it. Even if we try to erase it, there will be some mark, and it cannot be fully erased. Now don't come up with any chemistry formula to erase something. Just get the point. So in the same way, within the Web3 world, a single mistake and nobody is going to help you, because nobody can help you. If anyone in this space tells you that they can help you recover your funds, There could be some very exceptional. We will talk about those things. Those are very deep things. But in this world, if your funds have moved from your wallet to any other wallet, nobody can recover it. Don't give out money to anyone uh, who says that okay they can help you to recover your funds or things like that. Nobody can help you. Nothing can work. So okay, I'm going to reveal this secret recovery phrase, and I'm going to write it down on a paper. That's what recommended. Never save this, never take a screenshot of this. If you are serious with this wallet, if you are doing it just for test purposes, just for the class, you can like put it on your personal WhatsApp or personal Telegram chat or wherever you want. But in the again I'm going to remind you, if you are serious with a wallet where your intention is to keep money for a long term, and make it your primary wallet, don't like write this secret recovery phrase on any paper. The best thing is to learn it thoroughly in your mind. But I know we can't do that. It's a 12 word secret recovery phrase, and if we might forget any of the word and the sequence, we are never going to get this wallet back. So I'm just going to mask up this window with something so that you people don't get to see my this recovery phrase. Okay, I think now nobody can see it. See, I masked it. Okay, but I'll reconfirm. I will reconfirm. I'll reconfirm. I am not sure how to reconfirm. Check. Okay, I just confirmed. Okay, so and it is written on the page as well that okay, make sure nobody is watching. So I have copied that seed phrase, and I'm going to put it somewhere. Uh, let's see. Okay, I have got that. So I'm going to click next. Once you click next, it will ask you to confirm your secret phrase. So I'm not showing it again, but I'll tell you the three words that it is asking me to confirm. The third word is move, and don't tell it to anybody, but it doesn't make sense even if somebody gets to know some of the word, because these are very generic words. After move, I have to write duck. And if somebody is like really intelligent and you can find something from this, if you can crack the whole code, reach out to me. I might have a lot of work for you. We can be multi-billionaire. Okay, and the last word is okay. So it's done. So I can transition, and here I am. So once like if I hope you all have like written down that secret recovery phrase. If you are serious with that wallet, with the wallet that you have just created. Okay, so this is one of the most important thing. Beware, if you lose this secret recovery phrase, you will lose everything that you have inside this wallet. You can click done, and your MetaMask install is complete. Now, in general, if this would have been a video, where if I would have created a video of how to install MetaMask, this would have just taken me like 2-3 minutes. But right now, I told you a lot of stuff within this, that how important it is, what is the importance of all of this, and things like that. So it took us a lot of time, I think like 40 minutes just to install the MetaMask. But that's the pace at which like you should start, because there is a thing called as ignition temperature. So it will take time for all of us to like reach a point of ignition temperature, and from there like things will move really very fast. But your fundamentals, your basics should be really clear, that okay, whatever you are doing and however you are like going to do the things, do the stuff. So we have got our first thing. Now I think like I really want uh to show the seed phrase of this to you all. I think like it would be a good thing that people can steal the funds from this wallet. I will create a new wallet whenever I will be like showing you how to swap or do things. So why not? Let's see how to find the secret recovery phrase once we have created the wallet. And if anybody is having any question, you can like put down the questions in the chat as well. And if you are new here for the very first time, you can connect with me on LinkedIn. You can follow me on Twitter. It's very hard. At some places it's connecting, at some places it's subscribing, at some places it's following, things like that. So you can just connect with me on any of the platform wherever you are from. So once you have created a wallet, you can see there are a lot of things. We will learn how to navigate within this wallet, and we will learn how to add different networks, what does these network means, and things like that. So first thing, let's break down this wallet. So once you have installed the wallet, you can see there are things called as written as account 1 and then Solana account 1. So MetaMask was an EVM compatible wallet. So there are two kind of not two, there are multiple kind of virtual machines. So virtual machines are the machines on which the blockchains are running, or the decentralized applications utilizing that blockchains are running. We will talk about all of these things like in later sessions. Whenever I talk about something, advanced level thing that you think that okay is not making sense as of now, think of it like uh, you know a movie scene where sometimes uh, something that is going to happen in future, a glimpse of that is like just presented in the beginning of the movie, and later on the dots were connected and you get to know that okay, oh, that thing was told to me in the beginning, and now I'm getting to know all about this in real time. So MetaMask for a very long time was just an EVM compatible wallet. That means all the blockchains that were running on the Ethereum virtual machine or utilizing the Ethereum virtual machine were supported. But now it has also started to support the SVM or the Solana virtual machine or the Solana VM. So there are just two segregation. EVM EVM is not that electronic voting machine. So there is one kind of segmentation of blockchains that are the EVM chains, and other chains, any chain that is not utilizing the Ethereum virtual machine is a non-EVM chain. Now they could be utilizing any other virtual machine. It could be a Solana virtual machine. It could be a Move virtual machine. It could be a Starknet. I don't know what a Starknet utilizes, but right now I think Solana virtual machine, Move virtual machine, and the Ethereum virtual machine are one of the three major. So anything that is not Ethereum virtual machine is a non-EVM thing. That means a non-EVM chain. So MetaMask has recently, started to support first non-EVM chain, that is Solana. Okay, so I was talking about how to break this wallet, but before that, I thought of like showing you one more thing. So there are two things. So one very most important thing that you already saw is the seed phrase. You all might have saw your own seed phrase. You might not have. You have not seen my seed phrase yet. So you can see there is a thing called as add account or a hardware wallet. So we will talk about hardware wallet later. I do have an hardware wallet next to me. It's a Ledger Nano. I do have one more, but in case you think that okay, how a hardware wallet looks like, so it looks like this. Like there are a lot different hardware wallets have evolved as well, but it is a cold wallet, it is a hardware wallet. Hardware, why it is, I can touch it, I can feel it. And why it is a cold wallet, it is also called as a cold wallet. So I will let you know later why it is a cold, why it is called as a cold wallet. It's not cold, it also gets hot sometimes, but it is called as a cold wallet. So if you have never seen a cold wallet or a, and it's of the brand called as Ledger. So this is a Ledger Nano, Ledger Nano, I, if I am not wrong. Okay, so that's not the thing. Let's come back and focus on this particular thing. So you see there is a thing called as written as account one, and then there is written as add account or hardware wallet. Now when you click on add account, you find multiple options. You can add a Ethereum account over here. You can create a new account. You can create a new Ethereum account. You can create a new Solana account, or you can import a wallet or account. So you can, oh my god, like MetaMask has also given support to import a wallet or account using secret recovery phase. Now, for those who think that, oh, that okay, this is not something new for you because you, if you are starting right now. So MetaMask, previously MetaMask just allowed you to, import a wallet using private key. You cannot import two secret recovery phrases within a single MetaMask previously, but today I saw it that now they are providing support to import a wallet with secret recovery phrase as well. Now this thing is not making sense, might not make sense to you, but I will let you know. So let's click on create a new account using Ethereum, like create a new Ethereum account. So these are the ways to add other accounts. Now right now I am using the word other accounts because a new account is also other account. So let's click, let's say account 2. Now you have account 1, account 2. Let's say add one more account, that is account 3. Let's say add one more account, and that is account 4. Now in this MetaMask you can see there is account 1, 2, 3, 4. And this Solana account is starting with EWSF or something like that. But all the other 4 accounts that were created over here start with 0x. Okay. So this 0x means that this address is an EVM compatible address. Now I'm going to tell you that a lot of people out there do not know that all the EVM chains have the same address. So this account 1, in case, let's copy this address and I'm going to like paste this address here. Just I think no let's paste it over here so that I can zoom it, and let's see whether it is visible to you or not. It is. So this address over here, the 0xA7 blah blah blah, okay, this same address is going to support all the EVM chains. So whether somebody asks you to provide your Ethereum wallet address, okay, this is going to be your Ethereum wallet address. If they say no, provide me your Avalanche L1 chain or Avalanche C chain address, this is going to be your Avalanche C chain address as well, because Avalanche C chain is an EVM compatible chain. If they ask you to provide your Arbitrum address, this is your Arbitrum address as well. If they ask you to provide your BNB chain address, this is going to be your BNB chain address as well. If they're going to ask you, let's say any other chain out here, base mainnet, okay, they ask you to provide you your base chain address, this is going to be your base chain address. The concept is simple. Your Ethereum address, or let's be more technical and say your EVM wallet address, is going to be same for all the Ethereum virtual machine compatible chains. No matter whether it is Ethereum itself, Avalanche C chain, Arbitrum, BNB chain, base mainnet, or the Linea, the chain of MetaMask, I think that is also, see, Okay, I can show it to you. Yeah, I forgot. So even if I'm, this is the way how you select a network, how you change the network within the MetaMask. So if I select Ethereum mainnet, you can see 0xA7, the same thing. Okay, left see. Yes, now I think it might be visible to you. 0xA7. Just see this first four characters. If I do it linear, it is again 0xA7. Now, if I add Avalanche C chain address over here, let's approve this. So this is how you add a network to your MetaMask. This is again 0xA7. So because all of these chains are EVM compatible chains, these are EVM Ethereum virtual machine compatible chains. So that's why the wallet address is going to be same. The moment I turn it to Solana, you can see the wallet address has changed. Now, it doesn't mean that non-EVM wallets, all the non-EVM wallets will have the same wallet address. No, it's not like that. When the VM changes, the wallet address changes. So for all the Ethereum virtual machine compatible chains, your wallet address is going to be same. So for example, what does this mean to you? You have created a MetaMask. Now you have one Ethereum mainnet account, and somebody wants to send you funds on, uh, let's say Avalanche C chain or Linea chain or BNB chain. You can just send the same wallet address to them, and they can send the funds on that chain, and you will receive the fund a lot of the time. And now, in the beginning, I was also not aware, because it's always in front of you, but people don't uh, put enough attention. So that's why, like, I thought this could be something that you should always keep in mind, that all the EVM wallet addresses are going to be same. Now you got to know this. That's why I created these multiple accounts to show it to you. But there is another catch that I want to tell you. So you already knew that there is one thing called as seed phrase. Now that seed phrase is like, father. That seed phrase is father. Father of all the accounts that are created within that seed phrase. So this MetaMask wallet, so MetaMask is a wallet provider. The wallet that has been the account one, the parent wallet that has been created in this using the seed phrase is account one, and all the wallets that have been created under that account, account 2, account 3, account 4, are all linked with that seed phrase and in the same chronology as well. So you can see account 1 is A0xA7 blah blah blah. The second account is 0x92, the third account is 0x7f, fourth account is 0x3b. Now let's take a screenshot of this so that I can show it to you all later. So I'm taking a screenshot. It might not be visible at your end. Why the hell I do not have a snipping tool? Wait a minute. Okay, right now I think how many people are watching? That's also something would be great to see. I cannot see. Around like 100 folks across all the platforms. That's great. Welcome, welcome, welcome you all. And okay, let's see if it is visible to you all or not. Okay, so I got a screenshot. Let me check. I okay, in that a screenshot it is visible. Okay, so I have got a screenshot, and what I just told you, that from the seed phrase, these are all accounts are synced in the same chronology. What does that mean? We all will come to know very very shortly. And this live stream may not have any end time, so it can go as long as I feel like teaching. Okay, so let's come to this setting things now. For this time, just that whatever I told, information I told you, that okay, it is all linked, it is all synced with each other. Let's come to know about, there is one more thing. So all of these account 1, account 2, account 3. So there is one way, if somebody gets your seed phrase, they have access to all the accounts that are created over here, plus any other future account 5, account 6. I don't know how many accounts you can create, because I have never created over account 7. Uh, but I think like you can create infinite accounts. I'm not sure, like really not sure. Maybe we can just Google. But I think there will be really no number. How many accounts we can create? A single seed phrase can unlimited. Exactly. That's what I thought. Like, uh, that's how it works, because there is no inherent limit. Okay, so that's the thing. You can create unlimited. So if I keep on doing this, I'll be dead, but the accounts will not be over. So all of these accounts are linked with one seed phrase. So if anybody gets your seed phrase, they will have access to all of these accounts. So sometimes I will tell you a very secretive thing, uh, just to like keep your funds more secure. Now this is a kind of pro tip. Uh, for some people, this might be a dumb or silly tip for others. So sometimes what I do, I create a MetaMask hot wallet. Okay, listen out to me, and I create 7 accounts. So like 6 accounts, well 7 in total, and I delete like all these till account number 6. I just hide account, hide account, hide account, like that. Now, and store my fund in the 7th account. Now this way, what happens? Even if a scammer somehow gets my seed phrase, and this is a real thing, they might check my account 1, they might check account 2, they might check account 3, and if they will not find any trace of any data, any funds, they might not check till account number 7, and I will be safe. And I'll be safe. Like they will not get to my funds. But that's my personal thing. You can use this thing as well if you're like doing things with MetaMask hot wallets. Otherwise, I keep all my funds in the cold storage on my ledger. Very very like small amount of fund on the hot wallet. Okay, so now all of these wallets are connected with one seed phrase. But if I just want to access any particular account, not the whole account, so how can I do that? So all of these accounts have one more thing that is called as the private key. So every account has their one private key and a public key. So it's just like your email and your password. But there your password is everything. If somebody knows your email and knows your password, then like they can access your email. In the same way, this whatever the wallet address that you are watching, it is a public key. You can give it to anybody, just like you give your email to anyone, and then only like the email can be accessed with the password. Just in the same way, the private key that is linked with this particular public key or with this wallet can access this wallet. But even if I suggest that if you're using a wallet that has a lot of funds, do not share it with people. uh, like try to create a fully separate wallet that is having no link or connection with your main wallet, because a thing called as social engineering uh, can, like, if somebody gets to know that okay, in this particular wallet there is a lot of fund, they will try, the hackers, the scammers will try dirty tricks that we will talk about later, maybe like 10 sessions from now or 20 sessions from now. All those dirty tricks to like get your funds. and make your rect. Now, what does this rect mean? We will talk some about like some time later. So let's go to the settings page. There you can come to this advanced page, and no, not there. Security and privacy. Okay, so on the security and privacy page, you can see there is written as reveal secret recovery phrase. Now you can see I am on account 4. I'm not on account 1, but it doesn't matter whether I am on account 1, account 2, or any account. The secret phrase is going to be same, because all of these wallets are created from a single secret recovery phrase. But all of these wallets have one more thing that is called as their private key. Okay, where do I find that private key? I think in the advanced section. Okay, so this is the thing that I wanted to show you, that it's not like I know everything. I have learned everything. This is how we find things. So right now I'm trying to find where is the private key, or maybe uh account details, details. Okay, so that is how you find the private key and recovery phrase at one place. So I'm going to reveal the secret recovery phrase for you all, because this is just, an experimental wallet for me that I will delete and will create a new wallet for teaching further stuff with real funds and all of those things. So either you can come to advanced security and privacy tab, and you can click reveal secret recovery phrase. Okay, it is asking some questions. Let's see. It is going to be interesting. If you lose your secret recovery phrase, MetaMask can get it back for you, or second, can't help you. And I don't want to answer it. If anybody is live here, is watching me live, if you can answer, provide me the answer. Can MetaMask help you recover your wallet? Can it? We have talked about a lot of things. Can it help you recover your wallet? Let's see. Okay, I am live at a lot of places. Can't keep track of everything. Uh, Thanks Mega Mail for the follow. Hey Asad. Okay, on which platform I should look out for people providing me answers? Tu-tu-tu. Okay, yes, exactly. MetaMask can't. So, getting back. But if I say like MetaMask can get it back for you, so it was the wrong answer. No one can help you get your secret recovery phrase back. If you lose your secret recovery phrase, it's gone forever. No one can help you to get it back, no matter what they might say. That's what exactly I said. And it seems like MetaMask has like found my dialogues. Okay, MetaMask can't help you. Continue. If anyone, even a support agent, asks you for your secret recovery phrase, you are being scammed. Like, this is definitely like, if anybody in this world, even if your dad asks for your secret recovery phrase on call, he's not your dad. Or maybe even if your dad is asking, don't give your secret recovery phrase to dad. Just provide all your fund to him. Why he need a secret recovery phrase? Okay. Okay, enter the password to continue. So I am going to enter the password, and I forgot the password. Okay, I remember the password. Okay. Okay, and once I click next, it is asking me to hold to reveal the SRP, or the secret recovery phrase. And if you might remember, I said the word duck, I said the word material, and I also, I think, said the word live. So this is the secret recovery phrase. Now you all have the secret recovery phrase. of this wallet. I'm going to copy it on a clipboard, on my clipboard, and after that I'm going to uninstall this wallet. Now before I install, I just again want to show this to you, that see, account number 1 is 0xA7 and account number 2 is 0x92. Just keep in mind just these two accounts. I just want to show you that how it is synced and how it always remain in the chronology. Okay, so let's go here. I am coming over here. I am coming and clicking right click on the MetaMask extension. I am saying remove from the Chrome. I am removing it. And now MetaMask is crying, but I am going to skip it. Like I don't care about MetaMask. Okay, but again I'm going to click get MetaMask. And it redirected over here. I am going to say add to Chrome. I am going to say add extension. And now you are all going to see the next part. So previously when we installed MetaMask, what we did, we created a new wallet. Now we do have, you know what, a seed phrase. So this time we are going to click on import an existing wallet. So you all have your seed phrase as well. I said no, I'm not going to give them marketing consent, and seed phrase can be of 12 word, 15 word, 18 word, 21 word, 24 word, but MetaMask generally provides a 12 word seed phrase. When you will be using, a cold wallet such as Ledger, they have a 24 word seed phrase. I'm just going to hit paste, and all of these are visible. Blush, correct, move, and duck. With the word duck, I just make you remember that this is the same secret recovery phrase. And when I hit confirm, it again asks me a password. Now the password could be anything. It's a create password thing, and anybody who is having your secret recovery phrase can create a new password, and you will never get to know that, okay, what that password is. It could be anything, 123 blah blah blah. So this is how it works. This password, again I'm going to write the same password so that I can just remember it. Please do not try this password with any of my social profile. If it if it is the same, I might get hacked. Okay, I think okay. 3-3. I want to make it 3-3. And once I click import my wallet, okay, I have clicked import my wallet. My wallet is ready. Let's click on done. Let's click on next. Done, and again we are back. And for the very first time, you can see it imported all the accounts at once. Previously, it was not like this. Like now, every time I have to tell you about how it looked in the history. So previously, like MetaMask, you need to click manually add account, and it will add the account in the same sync. But right now, you can see the account number 1 is 0xA7, and the account number is 2 is 0x92. And this is what I was telling you, that if anybody is having access to that seed phrase, they will have access to all the wallets. And I think there was some cache in this computer or in this PC. That's why like it got all the wallets back at once. But I don't know. Okay, so that is what and how the seed phrase works, and that's why you have to keep it really secured, really well at a place. Now, one more thing that I want to show you is, let's get to this list of wallets, and let's install any other wallet, such as there is one wallet called as Core Wallet. So Core Wallet is the wallet of Avalanche blockchain. It's a EVM compatible wallet created by the folks at Ava Labs. So those who don't know, I am leading the community for Ava Labs, or the Avalanche India community. So it's my duty to let you all know about the Core Wallet. Okay, so this is the front end, and now when you will hit connect wallet, nothing will pop up. I thought, okay, so you can connect this front end with MetaMask as well, or just like MetaMask extension, we do have core extension as well. So let's get to the part of core extension. Now, why I am doing this? I'm not doing it because I have to show you that, okay, core, what is core wallet. I am doing this because I want to show you that the same seed phrase, the duck seed phrase, where the fourth word is duck, I'm going to import that same seed phrase over in this wallet and it will work. So that next time, whenever you talk about all of these things, you get to know. So how you can install core, you can see a link here, don't have core, click on that and click on Chrome extension. Now core is also available on your mobile phone, on your desktop, in multiple ways. Like it's available everywhere. It's available for iOS, for Android, for extension, and I think you can also download our software wallet. So let's add it to Chrome. Let's click on add extension, and I am going to here MetaMask back, and we'll click on account details. We'll click on details and we'll click on show recovery phrase. It again asking question. I am saying continue. You are being scammed. Continue, and then it asks for the password. Now this is the way how you like get your recovery phrase, and I'm copying it. You can see, you can clearly see my secret recovery phrase. Don't show your secret recovery phrase to anyone. Now I'm going to core. Now core is a smart wallet. That means you can create a wallet directly with your Google account. You can like just like you sign in on different platforms. But I do not recommend this for a reason. Like it's very good, but if your email gets compromised, people will be having like can sign in with your email to anything. So that's why I think like it is less secured. But if you are like having all the two-factor authentication and every other setting, and you are having not that much fun in a hot wallet, so you can like still go with sign in with Google. It is all like for user experience. So it's saying manually create new wallet, access existing wallet, and we do have an existing wallet in MetaMask. We are going to access existing wallet, and it is asking you Keystone is a hardware wallet brand, Ledger is a hardware wallet brand. We have a secret recovery phrase. Let's put it here. Let's do a 12-word phrase, and let's hit Control V. Oh my god, I have to manually write it. Oh, 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 copy to clipboard. Let's try it again. Okay, we do not have to manually write it. And I'm just going to show you the fourth word. It's a duck. So we have entered the recovery phrase, and when I will hit next, it will ask, for a wallet name. Let's type, I'm typing Shriyash Web3, enter a password. I'm again going to enter the same password. And I have read the agreement, and you can hit this thing. Like I would recommend you to hitting this thing. This will provide you information about all the latest airdrops within the Avalanche ecosystem, all the Avalanche products and things like that. So you can check this block, and you can put over your email address. Right now I'm not doing it because I have already done it with my primary wallet. I am hitting save. You can again click on unlock to get if there is any, like it's like you, if you want to participate in any of the airdrops within core. So I'm just clicking it unlock. Okay, and now you can see here in the corner, watch 0xA7. In the MetaMask, the account one is also 0xA7. So this is the thing that I just wanted to, this is very basic and you might feel bored. This is end of the class 1 today. Now you know a few things about MetaMask, few things about Web3 wallets, few things about how to, store them, how to utilize them, how to find them in within the MetaMask, how to import the wallet in a different wallet, and the same you can do with any other wallet, with MetaMask, with Coinbase, and things like that. You know now how to find the wallet extension and how to utilize it. Now you also know that these MetaMask Core, all of these are just wallet providers. That means you can get there and get a wallet. Now later on you can import that wallet to any other wallet provider of your choice. So this is all about session one of navigating Web3 with me. Let me quickly check that if there is anything else that I had planned to share today. Let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see. Uh, 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 uh. So, like, I thought of making a whole course curriculum module I have created, where I have made like plans of what I will be covering in which class. And the very first class is just the basics. I just want to see if I missed anything, something like that. I think it was mentioned in the Luma form as well. So today the topics were, what is Web3 really? No fluff. So we covered it very quickly because I don't wanted to show you like the no fluff meant here everything what we did in the on the practical side of things. So I didn't started you and overwhelmed with you all the jargons that I'd never wanted, and that's why like there is no fluff there. We talked about wallets, we talked about MetaMask Core. Rabby was also there, but it's the same thing. Like it's again a wallet provider. You can go on the core Chrome extension and you can find out for Rabby, and you can import the same wallet within the that you have created in MetaMask. You have imported in Core. You can import that in Rabby as well. Now, why would you import? That's a thing. So sometimes it could be by choice. So for example, I prefer Core. I prefer MetaMask as well. I don't prefer Rabby or Rainbow Wallet or something like that. But it totally depends. Sometimes it could be for any promotion that is going on. So some wallet providers are providing something XYZ airdrop, so far airdrop farming and things like that. You can do it for that thing. But in general, it totally depends on you. And we also signed a transaction with a wallet. I don't remember. Yes, we approved, adding Avalanche chain. But let's do it again. Let's add any other chain over here. So I will tell you that, for example, you can see all the network over here: Arbitrum One, Avalanche, C-Chain, Base Mainnet, Binance Smart Chain, OP Mainnet, that is Optimism Chain, Polygon Mainnet, Zk Sync Era, and you can add any of the chain over here. You can click on approve, and this will add the network, and you will find that the wallet address is going to be the same as Ethereum, Linea, and it will remain same for all of it. The thing that I wanted to tell, what's that? Something is missing. Something is missing. I am missing something. Okay, so that's what, like, basically that's how you sign in with a wallet, uh, with your Web3 identity for any of the platforms. So okay, here I can show you. So for example, on the core app, you can see this is the front end. This is not the wallet. This is a website. This is a website front end. Now, as we have already installed, the MetaMask wallet and the core wallet, let's connect wallet. Now I do have core extension, so I will click on core extension. I will click on core, and from here I have to okay. I know what's the problem. The problem is that I have to reopen this website because there is some cache, and the website was not able to know that the wallet is already connected over here. So see, if I disconnect the wallet, I click on connect, I click on core extension, it says detected, and this is what is called as signing in with your wallet. So this is how you connect wallet with any of the decentralized application. We will see a lot of it in our later classes, and you click connect, and that is how, like now the wallet is connected to the front end, and you can check out all the things that, okay, how much funds you have on different networks and things like that. So that is all for today's class, today's session, and I'm not sure how it felt, what are the things that you liked, but do provide your feedback. And in the future classes, we will be covering more of the things. Okay, like I just want to comment between and okay. Okay, so now I have the center spotlight. Okay, so in the future classes, in the next classes, I will let you know. Maybe it will be tomorrow, day after tomorrow, something like that. We will get to the second part of our module, where we will be, checking out decentralized applications. We will, make real transactions. We will send funds to each other and things like that. And that's how we will see that, okay, how we can navigate even better within the Web3 space. But the basic of the basic thing that people often ignore is, like working with the wallets. And even if everybody who joined me here uh, says that, okay, they knew each of everything, all of it, whatever I have told, uh, if you already knew all of that, that's great, that's fantastic, you are like killing it within the space. But I have seen people who really never knew that the EVM wallets are all same, and these are not the people uh, who are looking out for a job or looking out to make $1,000 per month, something like that. These are the people who are making like $10,000, $20,000 per month, and having a team of 20 people working under them, delivering and shipping a product, and yet are not you know uh, like they don't know that the EVM wallets are all same. They don't know that they can import a wallet from MetaMask to Core to Rabbit to any other thing. That means the seed phrase is the key that they can import it anywhere. They think like that, okay, it is a MetaMask wallet, so it will remain in MetaMask. Things like that. I don't want that you miss all of these part, because sometimes it becomes very embarrassing. And once you reach that level, it will be very hard for you to ask people that, oh, it worked like that. So especially those who are looking to crack in the DeFi side of things, they must definitely know. And I'm not talking about the tech things, I'm talking about the non-tech folks. I'm talking about folks who are looking to crack jobs on the community side, on the marketing side, and do stuff over here. Okay, so I think like that's it. That's most of it that I wanted to talk about in today's session. And we'll come back later tomorrow or day after tomorrow to check out for the next steps. And in the meantime, if you can like create the Twitter thread where you can share your learnings, you can tag me if you do have any questions. You can write those questions in that thread. Keep on updating that thread after every class, and I will take the questions from those thread and will reply here in the stream. And this was the very first class. This was the very basic things. All the basic things, basic fundamental was covered, and more stuff is coming on the way. So stay tuned, and maybe next time we will play games as well. And sometimes the stream time may go up and down, because I am busy with other stuff as well. But I try to like make time, like be on time, be punctual. Okay, thanks a lot, GM. Bye bye. Have a great time, and have a great start of the week.